If you've been scrolling through beauty products lately, you've probably seen Caramela Beauty's Cyperus Rotundus oil popping up all over the place, with claims that it can naturally slow hair regrowth while keeping your skin soft and nourished. But the question is it really worth your money or just another overhyped beauty trend? This oil highlights Cyperus Rotundus as its star ingredient, an herb traditionally linked to reducing hair growth, and it's combined with popular skin-loving oils like jojoba, rosehip, almond, aloe, and tea tree. On paper, that sounds like a powerhouse blend designed not only to calm irritation after hair removal, but also to deeply moisturize and soothe skin. Some users have noticed their hair growing back finer and more slowly, which supports the claims to a degree, while others say the difference is barely noticeable and feels more like a regular moisturizing oil. When it comes to texture, the formula absorbs fairly well without leaving a greasy film, but if you have oily or acne-prone skin, the added oils might feel a bit heavy over time. As for skin nourishment, the combination of rosehip and jojoba does deliver a smoother, softer feel, especially when used consistently, and the tea tree brings a subtle, refreshing quality that some people really enjoy. The price point makes it an accessible option compared to other post-hair removal treatments, which is a plus if you're testing something new, but the results seem to vary widely, making it hard to call it a miracle product. Overall, Caramela Beauty Cyperus Rotundus oil sits in that gray area where it's not exactly a scam, but it might not live up to the hype for everyone either. So if you're curious, it could be worth a try. Just don't expect dramatic overnight changes.